Hello. How's it going, La Hero? Welcome in. All right. It's gonna pick up exactly where I left off yesterday. Be back in just a sec. You do you. I'll be here. We're just getting started. All right, so yesterday I added this new quest, which will completely change the way the whole game plays. Now you can sell items. That's pretty new. I never really. I mean, I always knew it was going to be in there. That's why I had the item ready to go. I just never knew when I'd introduce it. And then it just hit me. Yeah, right now. So let's do a little speed run and see if that all works. Oh, actually, there's something else I wanted to make. I wanted to make a button in the item where I can just click and give an item to the player. Let's see. Inventory item. No, I didn't actually do it. I thought maybe I did already. So I basically want, it's the simplest little plugin, or the simplest little thing. Private. Give item now. Transaction manager dot try gifting. And then this. Do I want to make a copy of this? I think I want to make a copy of this. So let's see. Inventory item dot, or item equals this dot copy. I think I do this. Yeah, get output item. I copy it. Because I never want to actually affect this scriptable object. I always want to copy it. That's a little thing I learned from this asset pack. And it's also a good way if you want to like make these values, like set these values. You never want to like set the scriptable object's values. You always want to leave them alone. But if you make a copy, then you're safe to set them however you like. I think that's it. Just these two lines. Actually, I could just do this. Get those wish lists, baby! Fal, how's it going? Yeah, yesterday was crazy. The second I got off stream, I'm like, oh, I didn't check my wish lists. Let me refresh that. And I was like, oh, what? What happened? It's pretty cool. We'll see what happens today. Remind me, you got to remind me to check again. Whenever, when does it refresh? Like 6 p.m., 7 p.m. So hyped. I've been hyped all day. I just want to see where this goes, you know? I just want to see where this goes. It's kind of scary. The more wish lists I get, the more pressure there is to finish the game. I mean, I was always planning on it, but I'll be doing the next turn-based fest when I feel we are in a good place to showcase. Yeah, I was on Keen's stream yesterday for a while. We were playing Falconeer Fantasy. It's awesome. I love it. Like, I was just having so much fun. And it's so engaging. And it can live there in the background and be a game while we're just chatting, or it can live in the foreground and we people can be talking about it and strategizing and and also Keen's really good at it, so he just knows how to like carry the game, like we're be in tandem with the game, because the game is is a total presence. And I didn't know that he did some of the voices. No, you should be proud. You should be proud. Let's see if this works. Yeah, I think it's a lot of fun. He's also the boss in the next dungeon. Ah, nice. Yeah, he's saying he just recorded new lines and he was excited to hear them in the game. Keen's a good guy. He changed his stream schedule. Now he does 5 a.m. your time, 9 p.m. my time. Not gonna be able to catch him too often at 9 p.m. Sometimes. Yeah. Motherfucker. Anyway, how you doing? What up, Augie? I love I love how that's your intro. Like that's your hello. Resident sleeper. Just yeah, it's gonna be hard to watch him now. So if I go to like resource rose, no, flower rose, and I click this button, give item now, boom, there it is. Sick. All right, so now I can give items to myself from the editor, which is good. I'm gonna start a new game. This one's buggy. These are all saved. All right, let's delete those. How you doing, Augie? You getting some rest? Kenny released a new cursor pack. I can't wait to add it in. I thought about it when I saw your purple cursor. Yeah, I saw Kenny's cursor pack and it looked cool. I made this cursor. I kind of like it. But I kind of want to use his other stuff. These letters down here are Kenny assets. Like all the button prompts are Kenny assets. You filed last year's taxes? Is it way past deadline? Oh wait, this isn't a... Yeah, the button prompts are huge. I need better button. I need to do a whole refactor of this whole selection system. It's just a mess. Oh, C-Man. Thank you for the follow. Welcome in and yeah, how you doing? All right, so I'm starting a new game. I'm gonna see if the selling quest works. Whoa, I can't even see the line because yellow on yellow. Where is it? Oh, it also doesn't show up right away. Because it's a stupid particle effect. Is this room stupid? No, that's okay. Okay, he does have his exclamation mark. That's good. All right, this is a game changer, being able to rush through this quest. So now I can say flower, sunflower, and give myself 3 sunflower. Where is it? Oh, flower, sunflower. There it is. Give, give, give. Now I have 3. Flowers are the best. Also, if you grow extra, you'll probably want to sell some. I'll hook you up with my friend Jimmy. He sometimes works the farmer's market. You can find the farmer's market in the town square on Wednesdays, Saturdays, and Sundays. Now go improve that dump of yours. Always selling. Talk to Jimmy. It's hard to read in there. Talk to Jimmy when the farmer's market comes to town. Excuse me. So Wednesdays, I got to fast forward to Wednesday. I might have too much ambient occlusion in the game. You can see it flickering at the corners of the screens all the time. Drives me nuts. All right, it's Wednesday. I don't like that the first day of rain also coincides with the first farmer's market day. Kind of never want it to rain when there's a farmer's market. That's fine. So Jimmy does not have an exclamation mark. That's okay. Hello, this game looks like a potential success. Thank you. Can you show a little bit of your architectural code? Very interesting what you've used for such volume. Poor market farmers, yeah. Oh, Seaman, what do you mean by very interesting what you used for such volume? Like the amount of content? And yeah, I'm happy to show how I structure things. Oh, wait, I totally forgot to read that. You use ECS architecture in my game. Oh, ECS, that's what's that short for? It's like a Unity thing for having large amounts of objects in your scene, isn't it? What is ECS? Entity Component System. Yeah, so there's a Unity. Is it in Unity also, or are you saying you use ECS in more of a generic sense? I don't use that kind of stuff. Because I think ECS, it's an architecture that Unity has an implementation of. I think. All right. Hey there. Vic told me you'd be stopping by. I heard you are. That's the wrong. It's a typo. Let's see. I heard you're a bit strapped for cash and can use a few extra dub. I'd be happy to collect your extra valuables and sell them for you. Here, take this shipping box. Is that a period or a comma? Throw anything of value in there and I'll get you a good price. There we go. And then if I talk to him again, there we go. Not gonna lie, loving the clean and simple dialogue boxes. I think they're almost okay. There's like something I gotta do to them. They look a little bland and generic. To me, everything in this game looks bland and generic. I just have a hard time adding like character to it. All right, so place the shipping box somewhere on your property. So OC man, I'll do a little explanation. I'm just testing this quest real quick. So let's put it here. And now it says nothing. I placed it. Oh, and I can't interact with it. I wonder what happened there. Oh, I got an error. Look at that. Why? It's because inventory display is null. Okay, I can fix that. So basically, you know, I use just standard Unity. I don't use the ECS, but I would say the architecture of my code is made up of observer, you know, event-driven observer listener pattern mostly, and singletons. And I have managers for everything. So here I have systems and managers. They're both pretty similar to each other. Sometimes systems, they listen to the game tick, and I don't have the game ticking every frame. You know, the game ticks once every 5 seconds. So everything can go nice and slow, and I could update stuff slowly, and you know, it's good on performance, and it actually coincides with the day-night cycle of the game. So everything's a time tick. So these systems update based on time ticks. These are usually just data containers, and they hold some logic for generic stuff, like globally generic stuff. And then I have scripts. Basically, this is every event in the game. Every type of event is here. And I have stuff like a float event, where it's a float enum type, and I got all these different types of events, and it just throws a float value, right? So everything that listens for these kind of event float, you know, these kind of events can listen, and it just, you know, they'll get a float out of it. And I have all of these different kinds of events like this. Some are super specific and some are super generic. Like, you know, here's my bool events, pause. It's mostly pause related. I have integer events that are, right now, the only thing I use integer events are for key presses, like for the number keys. Warp event, save event, GUI event, modal info event. So some of them get really specific and some of them are really generic. Every 5 seconds pass in Africa. Why'd you make me say that? It's very true. So yeah, that's kind of how I have everything structured. And it keeps everything as loose as possible. You know, I do very little hooking up of prefabs in the scene level. I do a fair amount of hooking up prefabs in the prefab level. So like, you know, the reason why this shipping container isn't working is because something's not hooked up in the editor. Let's see, it's this guy, secondary inventory. activity storage inventory. It's because inventory name doesn't, oh wait. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah, why isn't this working? Got him. Yeah, you got me good. But yeah, what I try to do, like, I try to have prefabs have, you know, it connects to stuff within itself, but, you know, I'm never connecting anything out here. And that's what helps me with my, my project overhead. Instead of developing a game, I'm trying to understand how to use this better way ECS. It's very different from object-oriented programming, but it's only the beginning, I think. Yeah, I never really looked into it, so I'm not even sure the benefits. You know, I kind of just learned this way. I saw it come out at some point, and just never gave it any thought because I was like, oh, this way works though, so I'm not gonna change. My assumption is that it's just way more performant. Like you can have like hundreds of thousands of moving objects on the screen and it's fine. I believe is that I think that's the whole point of it. Yeah, it just looks complicated. So we rated Dev Spagus yesterday, and I noticed like he's a serious coder who does serious things, and basically in his about is like, I use Unity as a shell, and I've made all my own stuff inside of it, and it's like, that's legit. That's a legit engineer right there. I wouldn't say I'm an engineer. I'm just kind of using the tools. Inventory display. Where does this get set? I think it gets set. It's protected, right? And it gets set when this reference is set. Oh. Shipping container. So where's that reference? Raticide, how's it going? First time chatter, welcome in. Morning rat. Wait a minute, I have two scriptable object setters on this thing? That must be a... No, object set setter. Scriptable object set setter. Wait. Oh, I just set two different sets, I see. And here's the display. Secondary inventory display. Huh. Double the setters, double the performance. Yeah. Good day. Good day to you. Why is it coming back null then? Secondary inventory display. Storage inventories. You do both graphics and coding? Yeah. Yeah, I modeled most of this stuff. And, you know, I don't like doing 2D graphics, but I did do all the UI as well, except for the icons. I downloaded icon packs, but all the UIs. Ew, graphics. Why is this not working now? So let's see why. Selling box? Nope. Shipping box. Give item now. And then decor chest. If the shipping box doesn't work, then the chest shouldn't work either. But I'm pretty sure the chest works. Chest works fine. And if I put the... That's ridiculous. You can put the shipping container in the chest. All right. And then that's null. So weird. Coding is easier than art. I'm actually I'm an artist first, coder second. Graphics are for people who like graphics. I mean, I like graphics. Felony, you have graphics in your game. You just don't do it. Wait, update text. The inventory event listener. Oh, this is trying to open the UI. Yeah, something's not hooked up correctly. I must have. So I haven't even tested this object in like a year, maybe 2 years. I cheat and use code to make my graphics. What does that mean? So decor chest. What's the deal? Secondary inventory. Secondary inventory display. Yep, that's normal. Storage inventories. Yep, that's normal. Oh, wait a minute. Okay. Let me try something. Augie cheats and uses graphics to make his code. Oh, and his tax evasion. Augie cheats and uses his art skills to make art. To make us all look bad. Yeah, that's the real cheat. Okay, so if I go here, and I click on the chest that was just created, and I go to this, inventory display reference, target transform. Oh, wait. Debug. And then I go to the shipping box. Okay, look at that. It made an inventory. It did it properly. It's an activity? Why is it an activity? I don't remember. My biggest cheat is I spent 15 years when everyone else had a time limit. This is a joke. I value artists. We know. Cheated by practicing for years. Yeah, he did. Finn! What up, Finn? I'm being naughty right now. I really should have ran an errand, but it is absolutely pouring outside. And I'm hoping that when I'm done with this stream, I'll be able to run that errand and I won't get soaking wet. What is the difference between these two things? Oh, look at that. The update text happened here. Inventory event listener, update text. So this is a problem. Inventory got oh, okay. So the inventory is coming back null. Inventory reference. Public scriptable object. The inventory event listener. Oh, shoot. I'm an idiot. This is the same. This is the thing I just made. Turning cog, how's it going? Okay, so I know what's going on. It has to do with this always selling event listener I just made. But because this is coming back null, it's freaking out. I thought it would be okay if I explicitly set the inventory and not worry about this. So let's see. Why does that come back null? So if this is not null, then grab this inventory, but I'm not doing that. So inventory is somehow unsetting itself. That's the problem. So it's set. Look at that. Bam, it's set. It's right there. Restrictive inventory. Somehow it's getting unset. Cthulhu! Cthulhu! How you doing? Clayman, how are you? Everybody gather in and close the door. It's chilly and I'm bald, so I get cold easily. Make sure to close the door behind you. Wait until people realize they can use code to make code. I just realized it's Golden Week. That's why this guy isn't going to work. What do you mean? I work for a US company. I've been working. Also, my wife, she works for a Japanese company and she's working. This is revolutionary, being able to just give myself this item. It's like Stardew Valley. Yeah, it's kind of like Stardew Valley, like a 3D Stardew Valley. So, update text freaked out because inventory is null. So if I go to here, the quest listener, it's not null. What is null? Android, iOS, PC? No mobile, just PC. Wear a hat? I sometimes do. If it's really cold, I will wear a hat, but I'm actually comfy now. Head quote, close the door, it's chilly and I'm bald. Yeah. If I finish my rabbit, will you put it in your game? If you say no, I'll never finish it and become depressed or more depressed. Can you make it cuter? Plus The Sims? OC man, you're getting it. It is Stardew Valley plus The Sims. You're getting it. It's like a cozy GTA. We're going to make cozy GTA after this game. And I understand nothing. Augie, you understand so much more. If you publish it on mobile devices through a publisher, you can make a lot of money. You're assuming that getting a publisher is easy. I tried. Didn't get one. Cozy GTA. Oh my god, what a concept. Yeah, Clayman. It was brought up yesterday and it's such a good idea. Awesome. It's an awesome concept, right? Like, don't go running around telling people. We're going to make that. Everyone here in chat, we're going to form an LLC together and we're going to make it together. There's like 19. No, there's 9 of you. There's 9 game devs in chat right now. We can all do it. You need to consider mobile optimization in advance. Yeah, I'm not considering mobile input either. I mean, I have controller support and keyboard support and mouse support, but I'm just not. I don't know. This is not a mobile game. Not right now. Wow, look at this guy talking to publishers. What do you mean? I've been like frantically emailing dozens of them and either being ghosted or ignored completely. So I wouldn't call that look at this guy material. Steam Deck support? There is Steam Deck support. Some of the alpha testers have been playing it on their Steam Decks, and it works. You have to migrate to PC. I will. I'll get one eventually. So what the hell is going on here? This is the only thing that can be wrong, right? Oh, item ID. Oh, item ID is null. Item ID is null. If I don't put something in item ID, get quantity. What is this text? What? On inventory change, I invoke a string. What do I do that for? Oh, okay. It's totally fine. If item does not equals null, just get the heck out of there. That's fine. There we go. Okay. If I can get ghosted by a publisher when I'm making a horror game, that'd make me so happy. It would be so appropriate. I'm pretty sure you can. And Unreal. Turning cog. Someone's at the door? Hold on. Hold on, delivery person. Okay. That was weird. That was really weird. FBI open up, cozy FBI simulator. Did you guys did you guys call a police raid on me? It was the publisher who knocked on the door. I'll tell you that was a weird situation. I'm not sure that ever happened in the US. So here in Japan, sometimes you can choose a shipping option when you buy something from a store that pay cash on delivery. Was that a thing in the was that ever a thing in the US? Demanding an iOS port? No way. So, my wife must have ordered something and chose pay cash on delivery. Thank God I had enough. I had just enough cash. It was a thing here in the UK. Not sure about US. It's normal in the EU. Yeah. Also, how's it going? Eileen Rude. Actually, I don't know how to pronounce your name. I'll just call you Eileen. Didn't hear. Are you in Japan? Yeah, I'm in Japan. So far, 2 delivery things have surprised me. The pay on delivery, that was surprising. And then someone delivered the wrong thing to me in the beginning of the day and then came back for it at the end of the day. That was crazy. Japan's always surprising me every day. We haven't had cash on delivery since the 90s. Yeah. I think it's because credit cards are not like as common here as like the US. Like in the US and most, I would assume most countries, credit cards are like, that's what you use. You just use a credit card because you get points and everyone has one and it's just what you do. And if you don't, use your debit card, right? You just use your debit card. Takes it directly out of your bank account. Every bank gives you a debit card. But here, they're assuming that a lot of people still don't even have those two things. I can't remember the last time I carried cash. I always carry like a certain amount, and once I get below it, like 20 bucks, I'll just get more, which in the US was very infrequent that I needed it. And here it's kind of infrequent, but that just drained me. I don't know what she bought, but it drained me. That's amazing. All right. All right. All right. We fixed this, right? Did I fix it or did I get distracted before I fixed it? Yeah, I fixed it. I keep an emergency hundy on me at all times. Yeah, that's pretty much what I do. Hundy thousy. Uh, shipping. Shipping box. There we go. I mean, I really like my new system of giving items to me from the editor, but I can just drop it in the scene too. Also, why is that? What is this? What's this doing? Nope. What are you? Decor blocker? No. Decor blocker? No. What are you? Box A? No. Animated lid group. Why do you? Oh. X. 0.5. There we go. Okay. I forgot about Hundy Thousy, my man. Yeah, right? All in cash. You should see my back pocket. It sticks out a lot. That offset is sexy. Also, if I lose my wallet, Apple Pay. Yeah, Apple Pay. Oops. There we go. We did it. Okay, so now let's see if we can complete this quest. Well, this isn't annoying at all. Look how not annoying that is. Hey there, Vic told me that you want this. Here you go. Thank you. Boom. Always selling it. So that's messed up. And then I go here, I'll put something in there. Flower. And nope. So when we place, I'm not setting the next quest to be active yet. I'm only setting this quest to be complete. There we go. That's why. So the decor shipping box. So what I need to do is not only, oh yeah. Wait, what sets that? No, it's out here. It's out here. Quest listener, always selling. So this sets, oh, right. This sets entry 2 to success, but I also need entry 3 active. Entry 3 active. So the conditions are if always selling is active and yeah, no, now this is place of shipping is a success. Then sell something active. Okay, there we go. We good? Bonk. 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 Okay. There we go. So now we set that to be active. Okay, this is bugging me. Let's get rid of this before I go any further. I think there's too much fog when it's raining too. And it's, why is the fog yellow? I don't like the yellow fog. All right, so replace the shipping container. Bonk. Boom, sell something. Sell something in the shipping box. Bonk. Sell. Close. Didn't do it. It didn't update. Okay. Why didn't it update? Let's figure out that conundrum. Oh, I know why. It's because that item is null, and if the item that changed is different from the item that we're looking for, it's not going to do anything. So we need to say if item is null, change for anything. Inventory event listener. So here we go. If the inventory is null, we return. If the e.target inventory doesn't equal the inventory name, we return. Oh, wait, what? What? Update text. Wait, really? Oh, so this is so misleading. This is called update text because it throws a string value, but this is actually the event that I'm hooking up into. So if it equals null, I basically want to throw the event with nothing. Just whatever. Pass nothing, but throw the event. Jeez. Yeah. Is everyone having a good Tuesday? Is it Tuesday for everyone except for you, Finn? Oh, and Augie. I guess it's starting to be Wednesday for a lot of people. Is everybody having a good whatever? I don't care which day of the week it is. Did we all treat ourselves today to something? I treated myself. Chocolate. Actually, my treat was my lunch. I was killing it at work today, and by it, I mean my dignity and free time. That's a good one. All right. Wait. Well, I don't even have the quest. Now, wait, what? What? Why? What happened? It's like set it to complete. Watches. Refresh. Always selling is success. How did I succeed? The quest listener must have accidentally said it. Always selling quest listener. Set the quest entry field. Oh, I'm checking for active and success? No. What am I doing here? Talk to Jimmy is a success. Check for... Wait, this is confusing me. This is after we place it. So place shipping box needs to be a success. Now who's setting everything to be a success? Who's completing this quest without our permission? Something funky's going on. All right, yeah, we go talk to Jimmy. Who's responsible for this mayhem? Seriously. And then, always selling is updated. Gives me the shipping box. Always selling is updated again. Let's refresh. It's still active. Okay. Oh, wait a minute. I think I know what's going on. Change scenes. Get off bike. Always selling is complete. Look at that. Task complete. If I refresh all, it's succeeded. So once this thing spawns, it's like auto-completing the quest. Now, why is that? Decor. Shipping. It's this thing. This is completing the quest immediately. And I'm setting both. Oh, right. It's almost because, yeah, shoot. I need a checkbox that is actually any item. Public bool any item. So if item does not equal null, do this. Else, if any item, do that. So it's gonna throw an empty value. No. Wait. I can't do this actually. I need a different I need to listen to a different event. This event is not a good one to listen for because it's just not accurate. Do I have another event that's like when I put something, when I transfer something? Let's see. Item moved. Maybe I had to call item moved. I must. Yeah, I must. Transfer. Inventory transfer input manager. Move to other inventory. Here we go. Transfer item to inventory. I use the transaction manager to do it. And here's how I do it. I trigger content changed. Oh boy. I add item. What gets thrown here? Content changed. Content changed. Damn it. I use content change for anything. I don't have any initialization specific. It's just content changed every time. Okay. I can figure this out. Maybe what I do is I have other events here. Inventory changed, and then here I can say like public public unity event string on inventory count or on inventory amount. Total amount changed. And then like if it's more than one, so if it's empty, I just don't listen. But if once something appears, oh, but this needs to be paired with another value like public int amount. And then public class inventory event type. No, inventory event properties. Public inventory event properties. So then I can also say, yeah. And then public void update inventory event properties. So I kind of want to do the same thing. If item does not equal null, what I want to do is int count equals 0. Event property dot and then public inventory. Wait. That's not what I want. Count equals that. Get quantity. Item dot item ID. Okay. So I'm getting a count. That's if item doesn't equal null. Else, if any item. Then I want to get a count of everything. Count equals inventory dot get quantity, get total, get what can I get? I can cycle through every, oh, how annoying. For each inventory item in inventory dot content, item dot amount dot count, item dot, yeah, amount, quantity. count plus 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 equals quantity. There we go. And then if item dot is null, inventory item dot is null. Continue. Oh my god. So much coding. Did we do it? All right. So now if count is greater than 0, or if count if count is greater than 0, I'll just throw this event, but whatever. Count is greater than 0. Event property dot invoke. What are the arguments? What did I do? Did I do a string event? I did. I'll just pass nothing. It's fine. All right, so this is a weird one. I'm basically going to check if we have one thing. This basically is just a massive check to see if it's empty or not. Per item. Oh, but this is going to be called per event property? I don't know why I made this a list. It doesn't have to be. I just want one. And it's basically on inventory has items. There we go. So the second we put one thing in this inventory, then the event will throw. Okay. We did it. I think we did it. Serialized field. Yes, please. Public. Yeah. Where is it? Where are you at? And also, then I don't need this in here. This will just check. This will just grab the main item. Oh, system.serializable. System.serializable. Okay. And then amount is dumb. Or maybe I say minimum amount. Minimum amount. And then if count is greater than or equal to the minimum amount. There we go. That's better. And then has enough items. It's evolving. This event is evolving. Soon it's going to talk back to me. Now what? Now what are you upset by? Oh, here we go. Here it is. So minimum amount is now 1 of anything. And then we want to copy this, paste it here. And then we don't want this to do anything. So I made this a class so I could have multiples, but whatever. All right. Oh boy. Let's see, that should work. It didn't complete the quest. That's good. We placed it. It got to the next one. Sell something in the shipping box. Go to sell. And it didn't work. Why? Why? Shipping box. Always selling quest listener. It looks for one of anything. Grab value on start. No? Set both. It failed this check. Always selling is active. How did it fail this check? That's a weird one. How can it fail the check? Either it never checked or it actually failed it somehow. Is this quest active? Always selling, active. Watches, refresh all. Yeah, it's active. I don't believe it. Oh, wait. I didn't call this function. Stupid. I never called the function. Ouch. One more time, one more time. Go here. No, I don't want to buy anything. Leave me alone. Oh my god, when I hit fast forward, everything goes nuts. Boom, boom, boom. It worked. Quest complete. Quest complete. All right, we have a shipping box. And now, I haven't tested this mechanic in so long. When something is in the shipping box, we got 2 flowers in there. I'll even put this vase in there. At the end of the day, quest complete. Yeah. At the end of the day, they should sell, and we get a little roundup about all the stuff we sold. Saving. No guests today. Next. Sunflower times 2, 20. Vase times 1, 10. We did it. Next. We made 30 bucks from items. No money from rooms, no money from restaurants. Hit next. We should have $130. There we go. That's what I like to see. If I try to sell the sledgehammer, it lets me. It won't let me sell the hoe, and it won't let me sell the watering can. It lets me sell the sleeping bag. It lets me sell the sunflower seeds. All right, so I need to make decor sledgehammer not sellable. Not removable. We did it. Okay, this feels good. Now what? That was pretty big. I think I hate the I hate the model. I mean, I need a better model, right? Like a shipping container. Shipping a wooden shipping box. Let's look up some reference. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go to this. I'm gonna go to the Farm Fest page. Just like look what they all got. So I already know what Stardew Valley's looks like. Let's see what Rusty's retirement looks like. Does it have one? I don't know what I'm looking at here. I don't see one. Let's look at... Oh, let's look at that game we like. Story of Seasons. People like that, right? This game's pretty. I like it. It's got a lot of texture. Can't find it. Plum Grove. Yeah, this one looks good. This one looks good. I don't see one. It's so cute though. Wow, I don't think I've ever seen this trailer. This looks great. I am going to go to Pinterest. We're going to say cute farm crate. Cute farm box. Cute wooden box. Should I display the items? Like, I can do something like this and then display what you're selling and maybe make the inventory a little smaller, kind of like Fae Farm. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe I'll just... What does Stardew Valleys look like again? It looks like that. It's got a handle on top. It's just got planks of wood. It's not that complicated. All right, let's make something. Let's make something. I was on Cyan's stream today and he gave me a good idea to make like ants. And I was going to do like an ant hill that only spawns next to trees. Like one, I was going to make an ant hill that only spawns 2 units away from a tree. And then animate a trail of ants, like leafcutter ants, going to and from the tree. Like, whoops, going to and from like the ant hill down on the ground and then up the tree trunk and then down the tree trunk, coming back to the ant hill, all carrying their little leaves and shaking back and forth. And I thought that'd be really cute. It's just, I don't know if I can guarantee that they'll always be on the trunk. But I want to make that. Come on, Maya. Maya was crashing on me today so bad. I was making a blue-footed booby, and something about the geometry that I somehow managed to get, it just kept crashing on me. I think I used the reduce polygon count too aggressively. Cobra, how's it going? Welcome back. I think the music is a little tiring. It's like putting me to sleep. We need something better. How's this? It's almost the same. It's better. You went down a French pixel art rabbit hole. How'd that go? Yeah, you can go down some pixel art rabbit holes. There's so many good pixel artists out there doing really crazy stuff. Where's my furniture scene? Open. Items. Furniture. Learning how cell shading works at the lowest resolution. Yeah, cell shading can be, it could be complicated or it could be very simple. I've seen it go both ways. Figuring out how to implement these 2D pixel concepts into 3D shading. Yeah, you can texture your objects using pixel art, like low resolution pixel art. You can do voxel models so that your model's made up of cubes. That sometimes looks cute. So what do I have currently? I think I just have like, yeah, I just slapped this together from a couple of assets in here. This is a box. And box A. Yeah, we can do better. We can do better than this. How do I want to design this thing? Just block in what we have already. It's more toward my vertex shading code adventure. They can do more without all. Sorry, they can do more without all our rim and depth light shading with less. What can I borrow? And other gimmicks like directional outlines. Yeah. There's some good fundamentals in pixel art. Grumble, how's it going? Munez, booyah, Karis Hest. Welcome in, everybody. Grumble, we need to talk. Bumble, how's it going? We need to talk, Grumble. All right. Cobra, you got to click on this Megabat link and wishlist it. I guarantee you will not regret it. Why? What do you want this time? You can't keep rating me every day. As much as I appreciate it and love it, you got to make new friends. I mean, it's convenient for me. I seriously appreciate it. I just want... What if there was someone out there that if you rated them, there was one person that went, oh my god, Megabat, and they loved it so much and it was their favorite game ever. You're too clingy, Grumble. Because I'm too tired to look for anyone else. No, I get it. I get it. I'm totally messing with you. Welcome in, everybody. If you don't know who I am, my name's Andrew. I'm working on Alpine Lake. It's a cozy Innkeeper-Sim. I am dead tired today. I have my brain is... Look at this. I modeled a box. This is how far I got. Yeah. How did the rest of your stream go? Did you finish up your trailer? Did you refactor the thing you were refactoring? All right, let's get a little fancy. I'm going to make individual wooden planks. Like 2x4s. It's all good enough for now. I'm going to bed. Have a good night. Grumble, have a great night. Have wonderful dreams of mega bats. Once I'm back on my real PC, I'll be implementing all I've learned on this trip. I just can't look at any more C#. Yeah, I understand the feeling. Wait, what? Why isn't it beveling? Bevel. Bevel. Why don't you bevel? Bevel? There we go. That was weird. I'm mentally dead too, yeah. Let's all just hang out here and be mentally dead together. Polyglot, how's it going? Is that cool? All right, so what if... There we go. How's that? And then do I want to make the bottom out of these things? Oh, wait, you know what? Actually, I want the planks to go the other way. I want the planks to go the other way. Why is this not object? World X? No. There we go. Okay. How's that? This isn't centered. Oh, weird. Corner selection engaged? What's corner selection? All right, so here, this is better than this. Let's do one of these jammies. I'll select all these outside faces. Then, oh, yeah, tiny little phone. Got to up-res. Keep offset here. And then, there we go. How's that? How's that? How's that? So these look beautiful, these nice soft planks, and then this looks garbage. We can fix that though. We can fix our garbage. Okay, that's an improvement. We're improving. So shading don't come out harsh on ridges. Yeah, so I'm just trying to soften those edges. This guy's weird though. Why is that happening? Strange shading right here. What's up with that? Oh, that's weird. It used to be the anti-aliasing I was most worried about. I mean, in terms of what? Performance? Also, this music is like creepy. What's going on here? Let's go to our standbys. Let's just go to a standby. I don't know why I mess around. And then I like how there's a handle. I like how there's a handle on the one in Stardew Valley. So I'm gonna put some handles on this one. If I just soften this, do I even need to? Soften edge. Yeah, that's cool. I don't need any more geometry there. You got a way to handle twine for say lid or side versus cutouts or metallic handles? What do you mean for twine? Is this too big? Should I just have it smaller? I just can't make it not look like trash. I did actually made a rope recently. So what I did was I took a cylinder. I made it really low poly because everything's low poly. Oops. Wait, why would... That's weird. That's unusual behavior for a default cylinder. So this is my strategy. Ready? Let's say 8. Oh no, it needs to be divisible by 3. Let's say let's say 9. Okay. So here's what I did. I added a bunch of height subdivision. Then put a twist modifier on it. Nonlinear twist. Start angle, end angle. So twist it. And then what you can do is select every other face or every third face. Yep, every third face. Scale it out. Then scale it up. Then grab these edges. Soften. Where are you? Mesh, soften, and boom, you got a rope. Oh my god, why is it doing that? Lots of respect for people that use Maya because you like to watch us. You like the struggle. So this is how I would do a low poly rope. You know, it's rope like. Probably don't even need this much subdivision. I gotta remember to clip that. That was a good little tutorial. Someone clip that. Can you get a 3 twist versus a 2 twist? So if you, however many twists you want, just make sure your subdivisions are divisible by that number. And yeah, then you're good. I mean, if poly count doesn't matter, you can also just like do a coil. You can just do 2 coils rotated, you know, at certain angles. Yeah, so if you wanted a double twist, you know, same thing. Add some height subdivision or reduce this so that it's divisible by 2. So any even number, let's say 6. And then give it a height, give it subdivision, give it a twist. One, two, or grab the faces, skip 2, grab the faces, scale out, soften normals, done. Now it's a 2. Do this, add a segment, grab the inner one, scale that in even more. Now when you smooth it, actually holds its shape. This gets a little irregular, but whatever. Looks more rope-like with the irregularity. I think you can bevel these two to create a rounder shape. Whoa, that's actually doing funky stuff. All right. But yeah, that's how I would create a game rope. Yeah, this is annoying. Do I want this tapered? Like, why am I making this tapered? Should I just make a regular ass box? You know how long the same thing took me with the worst result? It's all right. You'll get better. You'll get faster. All right. I think I'm just going to go with this for now. It's an improvement. So the whole lid needs to be combined. Where's this? Oh. Hey, bye. Fine. This is, I don't know, shipping box lid Geo. Shipping box Geo. Shipping box group. Add it to the furniture set. And now we texture it. So this, they both get the matte object, but these need to be metal. Let's do that. Matte. And these get metal. Create planar. Let's do it in Y. Maya devs be like, yeah, this modifier is just standard. Maya devs don't even have modifiers. We just drag stuff around until it works. Actually, 1, 2, 3, 4. These should be golden, shouldn't they? Golden. Golden handles. So this is how I do slight randomization of colors. I just kind of put these all in random spots in the UV map, and then when I look at it, it has some breakup. Is that good breakup though? Actually, I don't like any of them being light. And kind of want the borders to be a little darker than the rest. It's a little lame. I don't know. Looks weird. Why does it look weird to me? Something weird about it. I'm not sure what it is. All right, it's almost time to refresh. It's almost time to refresh the wish list page. Oh my god. What's gonna happen? I'm really nervous. So yesterday was crazy. Some of you know this already, but some of you don't. Yesterday I got more wish lists in one day than I've ever gotten ever. By double. My best day ever, I got 70. Yesterday we got 140 in one day. What's gonna happen? Are we gonna beat that today, or is it gonna go back down to 0? Or go back down to like something low? I don't know. Lid planks thicker? You think these need to be thicker? They already feel like just sticking up so much. Do you know what you did? Yeah, I think it's because of Farm Fest. It's all because of Steam Farm Fest. To whom it may concern, check out my Instagram. I can't stop laughing. What's up with your Instagram? Have you figured it out? Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's farm. It's definitely got to be, you know, Steam Farm Fest. We're on the homepage, sort of. I wonder if we've moved up or down in position, and I wonder if that indicates anything. I'm like, yeah, I'm obsessed. I can't stop. So if I click Farming Fest, I used to be at the 57th app, right? The 57th app in this list. When I click on coming soon. So popular up and coming. Where are we now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There's 12 per page, right? 12 per page. So if I click show more and I go to the bottom, that's 24, right? Wait, I missed it. I don't know. I'm not going to count. Whatever. Thank you for the bits. It looks like we're in the same spot. I remember being, yeah, I was below this one before. Now I'm above it. I was always 2 below this one. Okay, we haven't moved much. Hopefully everyone's getting wish lists, you know? Wish upon a llama. That one's cute. Oh, I've seen this. I've seen this on Twitter. A lot of people making very cool, cozy games. Grandma, that's me. Pick 5 animals to start. So you start your ranch with 5 animals. This is cool. Breed them. That's cool. I need to do more of this. I need to do more of that. All right, I'm gonna refresh, or is it an hour from now? I don't remember. Or is it 4 minutes from now? Do I have to wait? Yeah, it's not yet. Unless I got 0. They did not update it yet. There was a farm simulator around the time of SimCity 2000. It's probably Sim Farm. Does it still exist? No. Look at that. Farming Simulator 22. Have they really made 22 of these? Do they just keep remaking the same game every year, like Madden? I can't imagine. Sim Farm, yeah. Yeah, I remember that game. I don't think I ever played it. I was a big SimCity fan. Big SimCity. SimCity 3000. SimCity... What was the one before SimCity 3000? Was it just SimCity? Oh my god, wow. It only has 200 reviews. That's crazy. I mean, obviously, it's not a Steam game. Everyone had this on their CD-ROM. But I'm surprised it only has 200. How about SimCity 4? SimCity 4 is only $5? What? All right, so that's got 7,000 positive reviews. I had issues with SimCity 4. It was very laggy, and I was upset with the size of the cities. They couldn't get big. Floppy disk for the win. Yeah, I had some floppy disk games. I had like the 5x5 floppy disks, not even the 3.5 inch ones. The big floppy disks. Yeah, these guys. I had some games on these bad boys. Look at it's a plate. No, that's not. That's a tiny hand. No, that's huge. Yeah, that's. Wait, what is this? It's gigantic. No, I had games on this medium one. Yeah, the 5.25 inch. Remember ARJ? No, what was ARJ? I used to play some trucking game. It was around the same time as Oregon Trail, and all the kids in school would play Oregon Trail, but I would play this trucking game. Truck Simulator on floppy disk. I don't even know how to search for it. Truck Driver Simulator. Truck Driver Simulator game. What was it? It was a tool to break programs into multiple files back then. Those gigantic ones were such a cool frisbee. Yeah, they were. Cross Country USA, this was it. I used to play this instead of Oregon Trail. This one was so cool. Wait, we gotta mute the music. Wait, what is happening? Nah, I don't want to hear your voice. Try myabandonware.com. You think it's there? Cross Country USA. Huh. Wait a minute, it's here. No. Home edition on DOS and Mac. That was it. It actually, I remember this. Yeah, I don't remember this one. I was on the Apple II, I guess. Released in Canada. It's only 128 kV. There you go, Cobra. This is how you fit a whole world under 10 megs. Oh, I bricked my first Xbox playing a trucking simulation game. Narexa, thank you for the follow. Welcome in. How you doing? Did you play any of the modern trucking simulators? No. My trucking days were over once I stopped playing this. I'm assuming I can't play this because I'm on a Mac. I'm uncomfortable clicking this download button. But I appreciate this website, My Abandonware. That's crazy. Sorry, I'm new here. Are you currently working on a game? I am. I got a little distracted for a second. I'm just like struggling. I'm working on a game called Alpine Lake. It's an Innkeeper-Sim, life sim game. So I have this shipping container in the game, and I'm trying to replace it with something better. Is this better? think it's better. Let's export it. Let's get it in the game. It's in the game. It's probably safe. I can play it with a DOS emulator, a DOS box emulator. All right, so I'll have to find one of those. Damn, you bought SimCity 3000. Now I'm gonna play it again. Nice. Oh man, maybe I'll join you. Maybe I'll join you. Am I done with this thing? Yeah, this is as good as it's gonna get right now. Send to Unity. Is Autodesk over Blender personal preference, or do you find it better for what you're doing currently? Well, I've been using Maya for about 16 years. So I'm too old. I'm too old to learn Blender. I tried. I really tried. So yeah, I just paid for Maya. It's not, I mean, it's $250 a year. It's expensive compared to Blender, but it's fine. I know it too well to use something else. Furniture. Just curious because I've only been in the game dev scene for a few months now, and I've been learning Blender. Yeah, no, learn Blender. Definitely go Blender. If you're just getting started, there's no reason to not use Blender. It's just good enough to do everything. I think what's wrong with the shipping container are those top planks. Two on the edges would be more than enough, and frankly, none of those would be okay too. Let's see. What if I get rid of these? How does that look? Does that look better? And what if I do this? What if I do this? No. Get out of there. Is that better? No, that's terrible. Ugh, gross. Get out of there. I think this is better without these two though. Took me way too long to figure out what was wrong with that for me. The two does feel better. What if maybe these are just too tall? Yeah, they just feel like warts sticking out for no reason, you know? What if it's like this? That feels okay. Maybe that's it. What do you think? Is that better? Just want to flatten this. Bonk. It's a bit better, right? Yeah, it's not like totally better. What if... What if we did this? No, that's terrible too. I don't know. I don't know. I'm just gonna leave this for now. It's better. It's not great, but it's better. Let's just get it in the game. I think the reason we think it's wrong is because you are making inside side on, wait, what? Inside on the outside. Outside would usually be flat, while the inside has a border, maybe out of planks. Right. So maybe it should be like this. What happened to this guy? It's interesting. I don't hate it. Oh, I'm like, why is that doing that? That's better already, yeah. Yeah, I think so. The border feeling thicker overall does feel better. And then maybe this one too. Okay. Okay. Now maybe, all right. So now I think this is definitely an improvement. What on this can indicate that it is a box for selling? Other than just being a wooden structure, you know? I wonder. Brass plates in the corners? Yeah, that would be cool. Well, I kind of have that with the chest, right? Like, so this is what the chest is. I don't want it to look too similar. Oh, wait, I'm just like I'm totally ignoring chat. I'm sorry. And I'm sorry if I'm missing your messages. I'm just like so beat. Uh, did you use Maya under the Wavefront days? No, I got into Maya. Oh, actually, yeah, my first Maya. It was not Autodesk yet. It was Alias, or it was yeah, it was Wavefront Alias Maya. Also, Nerexa. Definitely, yeah, definitely learn Blender. Don't do Maya. Maya is good, but Blender can link well with save updating into Unity. Maya can do it too. You can actually bring in MA files. You don't even need to do FBX. But I just do it anyway. Okay, final offer. If I put a pink bow on the rabbit, will you put it in the game? No, it's got to be cute. And also way less polygons. Are you going to retopo it for me? Yeah, diagonals on the bottom might actually look good. I think I'm wasting too much time on this. This is it's just the annoying thing is the fact that I made it tapered, you know? The taper look is a look, but it's going to make this annoying. Maybe not. I don't know why I'm adding all these. Oh, hello. Hello, duplicates. Huge sign saying sell here. That's, I mean, Kara's has your, it's a joke, but it's not like, that's kind of what I need. I need something that's like like cute and cartoony that just says, hey, this is where you sell stuff. Now it's gonna have been so ADHD and what I'll need besides C#. Yeah, I don't know what it is. I just can't focus today. I have a box model you can use. It's definitely not horrific. It's definitely horrific. Something heavy-handed like sell here. Retopo is like where I live. I like Retopo, actually. I really enjoy doing Retopo. I think if these were the same wood, it would feel better. It feels like a mustache. It looks like he's got two eyes and a mustache. He looks like Crunchy from Adventure Time. No, not Crunchy. What was his name? Radio. What was his name? What was the character's name? Starchy? Yeah, he looks like Starchy. Look at these two guys. That's ridiculous. I'm going to save that for later. It's starting to look like garbage bin for some reason. Oh no. All right, we're going to get rid of that. And we're going to We're gonna leave it. We're gonna leave it. Oh, what if I put like a flag on it? Do you think learning WPF? What's WPF? In order to create applications tools that live outside of console is the right direction in Visual Studio? I'm not sure what WPF is. Yeah, the grumpy face. Angerblade, how's it going? WPF is not really useful if making just tools. WPF helps with UI a lot, though. It gives you a lot of control. You love the mustache? It's gone. Mr. Mard, thanks for the kind words during Grumble's stream. Sorry I was a bit scatterbrained and didn't reply. No, whatever. It's fine. Yeah, it's really cool, though. It's funny because Grumble was playing, and I'm like, I don't want to watch because I don't want him to ruin the solve for me if I ever play it again. Just give him some eyebrows now. Yeah, the mustache vibes. They're gone now. They're gone. My understanding from how Bing described it to me is WPF uses C# as its backend language and XAML as its front end language. I don't even know what that means. Windows Forms. Not exactly. It just allows more fine control using XAML. You can still use C# to do UI stuff as well in WPF mode. All right, you guys, now you're confusing me even more. All right, we're going to call it. We're going to call it, and we're going to get this in the game, and then that's that. I just want to make sure that the outside are darker than the inside. Face you, and you. Come with me. Oh, they already are. And then you guys get up here. It's just stupid how I put so much detail in the lid and then the bottom is not made out of planks. That's the thing that's bothering me, really. It's just two different styles. But this is going to look so much better anyway. No, it was auto-modded for some word in there. It must be like slang. I've never heard of it. What? Justin6, J6 raid. How's it going? Welcome in. Thank you so much for the raid. How you doing? How was your stream? What'd you get up to? Thank you for the follow. B. Jaxel, welcome in. Faffin' a boot. Howdy. Sally, oh my god. Thank you for the follow. How are y'all doing? What'd you get up to today? Oh my god, thank you for the follow. Well, let me introduce myself. My name's Andrew. I'm working on a game called Alpine Lake. It's a cozy Innkeeper-Sim, life sim game. Stream is good. Thanks for asking. Just working on some games in Unity. Nice. You have anything you want to share? This is a sharing zone, so drop those links. How am I doing today? I'm doing all right. I'm a little scatterbrained today. I was trying to. I'm basically polishing the demo, right? I'm polishing the demo, trying to replace items that are no good, like this item I'm currently working on, adding quests to the game. You know, I'm trying to get my demo out by June, and the clock is ticking. Love me some farming, homesteading style games. Yeah, let me play the trailer. I'll play the trailer, and then we'll check out your link. Let me kill the music. So this is what I'm working on here. It's kind of like 3D Stardew Valley meets The Sims. You want to add simple farming to your game? Farming's all the rage. I'm in Steam's Farm Fest right now, and it's day 2, and I'm like nervous how the wish lists are gonna go. No, they didn't update them yet. Steam updates its wishlist count like I think in an hour. Yeah, it's 7 p.m. my time. So yeah, there's a whole bunch of mechanics. Too many mechanics. This reminds you of Dinkum. Yeah, I look at Dinkum a lot for reference. They know what they're doing. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. Easy wish list. Thank you. Let me pop the link. If anyone feels like wish listing, please do. All right, let me see what you were working on today, Justin. Oh, nice. Oh, here we go. Here we go. A Steam page. Baffin, thank you for the follow. Oh, nice. Alien Life Simulator. Nice. Oh, look at that. Oh, I like the rendering. I like the outlines, cell shading. It's kind of like Borderlands. What are these little guys? My rework is simplifying the game a bit, as right now the levels are too big. So are these are levels? It's not like a giant open world. Oh, that's awesome. That's cool. So what stage are you at in the game? Like in your game dev journey? Are you almost ready for release? It's released in early access. Oh, I didn't even notice. You gotta tell me about early access. Do you like being in early access? Is it working for you? Very cool. Very cool. Easy wish list, yeah. Boom. Everyone, click that link. Follow wishlist. Yeah, so you're in early access. Nice. Is this going to be your release price too? What's your release price going to be? Or do you not know yet? This is my first big game, so it's been difficult. I have to remake the game multiple times. Oh, I hear ya. Same with me. This is, Alpine Lake's my first big game. I've only released like a tiny infinite runner before. How long have you been on this project for? Manage your emotions. Yeah, I saw a UI that said you don't have enough emotions to use that ability. Around 4 years, same. I'm at 3.5 years. Very cool. Very cool. Also, let me give you a follow. And a shout out. I forgot how to be welcoming. I'm that brain dead right now. Please, everyone join me in following Justin. Risk of Rain 2. What's Risk of Rain? Risk of Rain, look at that. More like this, Risk of Rain. Appreciate the shout out. I try. Yeah, I know, right? Was this one of your references too? I guess I can see I see some similarities. Yeah, I see similarities. I mean, it's a third-person shooter in an alien world. Holy shit. Oh my god. This game is popular. Gearbox. Oh, okay. Wait, this is so weird. This game doesn't like scream like next gen. When did this come out? 2020. It must be good, right? Holy crap. Oh, they have a ton of expansions. Wait, each one of these expansions is 30 bucks, 40, 50 bucks? What? What is this game? It was definitely an inspiration. Mainly inspired by the buffs in Risk of Rain. I also have infinite scaling buffs. Oh, that's cool. So like you just have like multipliers on everything and it never really breaks. Ooh, that's nice. 11 positive. That's nice. I'm scared. I'm scared to release over what's going to happen. People going to like my game? All right, so we got that there. Get this in there. Take group. Hold on, hold on. It's so cranky. There we go. There we go. Such a cranky item. All right, it's better. It's better than what it was. Whatever. I don't love it. It's just a box. Risk of Rain 2 is actually a game where you try and slow down your PC as far as you can. No, it has one expansion and the bundle is Risk of Rain 2 in the new game. Oh, wait, what? Oh, it's not. Okay, I see. I'm like, I was so confused by that statement. And also, sorry, I see there's a side conversation with about the VR stuff, Cobra. I'm just skipping over. I'm assuming you guys are just figuring it out. One thing that breaks is the balance, but that's part of the fun. Oh yeah, of course. I mean, you could just pull a Vampire Slayers and just when the balance gets totally bonkers, you just punch back is with infinite power, so it's impossible to go forward. Game looks good. I'm sure it'll go well. I don't know. Maybe. Maybe. We'll see. Maybe sides should have the paint plant. Excuse me. You know what? Okay. I think the tapered look is the problem. All right. All right. I'm gonna give it 15 more minutes. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna hide this. I'm gonna literally make these the walls. It's already better. It's already better, right? We're gonna get rid of this. We're going to get rid of this. No, 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 no. I'm gonna do this. Move this down. Get rid of these. That's already better. Oh my god, I can't believe it took me so long to do this. I'm gonna go to the gym. Have a good rest of your stream. I'll leave it open. Leave open lurk. Thank you so much, Justin, and thank you for the raid. And hope you have a good gym session. Karen's really good at breaking Risk of Rain 2. Thank you, Kurez Hest, for making me do this. You're right. She can score some super OP builds. What about Xamarin? Just in case you don't think you have enough options. What's Xamarin? Or are you talking about the UI stuff? I like the idea that this has feet. All right, yeah, I like this so much more. Oh my god. Oh, this actually needs to be flipped. Wait, what? Wait, what? How did I duplicate that so many times? That's like a lot better, right? Yeah. Cross-platform mono-based framework with forms units. All right, you guys are on a path. I'm just gonna let you go down that path. I cannot help you. And then when this opens, we just need a floor. Apple the Furry, how's it going? Bringing in those vibes, huh? You know it. Oh, this is painful. All right, we're done. This is way better. Wow. Way better, way better. It's a lot of polygons now. Wait, what are we at? Also, why aren't my my overlays making their sound effects? That's weird. Poly count. It's okay, 1400 tries, 1500 tries. That's not so bad. I'll live with it. Wait, what just happened? Also, what are you? Oh, get out of here. That's why. Just working on my fursuit, but with paper and tape because I got no monies for a real one. What are you going to use for the fur? Fursuits could be in the same price range as cars, and there's no shame in not having the cash to drop a car. Oh, yeah. I didn't realize they were that expensive. All right, you think it's just going to pop an update? Go into Unity, and boom. That's better. That's better. Okay. I'm leaving it now. We're done here. We're done here. Let's test it. Okay, so I'm not sure what you guys are talking about. I just want to make sure everyone's being nice to each other. That's all. Say what you want. Just be nice to each other. Boom. And then when I walk away, it closes. Open, close. There we go. Done. Okay. That's a good improvement. Are any of my other items like garbage that I need to update? I need to take a new screenshot of this too. Screenshot. Item screenshot scene. It's gotta be in here. Shipping box. Shipping box. Whoa. Where's the camera? I should be able to just auto group screenshots. Leave, come back, and it should be updated. Decor, shipping. Yeah, perfect. Great. What next? So now we got selling. That means I need to balance the value of these objects way more. And I think I need to increase the value of a guest stay. Because right now, the items are worth so much, and you make so little from a guest stay. Tally system. Just need to bump it up a bit. I think it's in the room something. Get room value. Gain money. Gain money. Get total pay. Get stay length. Get total room value. Get room value. Get room price. Get room price. Get room price. Oh my god. It's so nested. Here it is. Get room price. Size multiplier equals 1. Base room price equals room price dot value. Room price dot value. Oh my god. It's a stat. It's got modifiers on it. All right. That was real deep. If a room size is greater than 26, the multiplier is 2. The room size is greater than 10, 1.5. Base room price is the tier times, okay, we keep adding 50% for every tier. Yeah, call me out if you need my attention. I've lost control of chat. Some furries have a lot of disposable income. Process to make mascot suits for Disney pro sports teams is basically the same. So they can get pretty expensive. There's lots of value options, like you might see for university farm team mascots, but those are still a lot more expensive than you might imagine. Oh, I believe it. I believe it. Okay, suggestion. Can you swap some of the planks in the side? Yeah, the color. I noticed the color. I was afraid you'd say that. Fine. I'll do it really quick. It's thankfully very easy to do that. What if I make all these a different color? Go one more. Something interesting about this. Not interesting enough, though. Need to take a break. Have a good one. You take a break. You rest. I think I need to get out of here too. All right. You know what we're going to do? We are going to visit someone. Add me to the alpha, Angablade. All right, you got it. Are you in the Discord? Pop in the Discord, I'll give you a key. And add you to the secret alpha location. And if anyone else wants to play the game, you are, aren't you? Yeah, I do remember you being in here. There you are. There you go. Kara's Hest. Yeah. Just pop in the Discord. I'll give you a key. There you go. And I'm also adding both of you to the secret alpha channel where you can give notes if you play. No pressure also. No pressure. All right, you're in. Well, thank you. Thank you for wanting to check it out. All right, we're gonna raid Muniz. Gonna go to Muniz tonight. Everyone, thank you for hanging out with me. Today was a weird one. I just felt so scatterbrained this whole time. What did we get done? We finished a quest and we remade this model. We didn't get much done, but it's an improvement. It's an improvement. Let me export it before I forget. The raid train rolls on, of course, always. You gotta raid. You can't not raid. All right, everyone. Have a good rest of your evening, or have a good morning. Some of you are probably waking up right now. Oh wait, the wish lists they get refreshed in 7 minutes. Should I wait? Should I wait the 7 minutes? You can all refresh it with me, or nah? I'll just scream like a girl off stream. Gotta wait. You think so? Waiting. All right, we'll cancel. We'll wait. We'll give it 7 minutes. All right, we'll look at it together. We'll see what we got. What is this? What is this, Anga? What did you send me? What is that? Is that a a key to use your API? Part of the unofficial Twitch API. Yeah, I thought you sold it. Didn't you say you sold it? Didn't you say you wait, didn't you say you sold? Is that English right? I'm confused. They're paying you to update parts of it. Oh, that's cool. Oh, I never made an icon for the compass. We'll do it later. It's fine. No, I'll do it now. I'll do it now. Screenshot. Yeah. Save. So the compass overlay. Is it a decoration? Not really. It's more of a, I don't know what it is. It's a resource. We're going to say it's a resource? No, it's a tool. There we go. It's a tool. Compasses are tools. You're backwards. I originally told them no, but they offered me decent money I couldn't beat. There you go. How does Alpine Lake work on large displays? It works okay. You mean like ultra wide? I'm trying my best to support ultra wide as best as I can. $5120 by 2160, 4K ultra wide. It'll work. It'll work. Will it run well? That's up to your GPU. That is solely up to your GPU. Oh, that's better. There we go. We got 3 minutes. 3 minutes until we see together. We're gonna see this together. You're on this journey with me, whether you like it or not. And only when you close this Twitch tab does the journey end. Okay. This can go. That's what it actually looks like. Okay. Sitting at 360-ish frames per second. That's pretty good. What kind of GPU do you have? Or have you already launched it? Are you playing? I can't run at that resolution. Good. A UES? Oh, I have, yeah. No update yet. Oh, one thing I want to change is this campfire. This blueprint is too well hidden. I want to make this blueprint less well hidden. I'm going to put it in a hiking loop. Hike loop A. Spoiler alert. I'm rushing to the nearest computer. You install it on your storage array? Took 3 seconds to download the game and start. Damn. Oh, wait, do I want to put it there? Maybe I'll put it in the cave. Or do I want you to have it sooner? Nah, all right. I want it in the visitor center. Visitor center. Scene. Hike loop. Unload. Okay, this is where I want. Yeah. I think my wife is going out to dinner now with clients and has ditched me for dinner. Oh crap, it's 7. Here we go. You ready? Are you guys ready? Should I bring it over here? Should I bring it over here? Let's watch this together. If I hit refresh, what's going to happen? Let's do it. Let's refresh. Nothing. Nothing happened. Doggy, stop doing that. Nope, it's not refreshing. It's not refreshing. It's not time yet. Show us your dog. Press F12. I'm on a Mac, remember? Peppy. There she is. Wave high. She's very hungry. Oh, she stinks. Needs a bath. I have to feed her. I gotta feed the dog. Maybe when I get back, it'll be ready. You don't have F12? No, I do. Makes me hit the function button. All right, I'll be right back. I'll feed the dog. All right, we back. I can't handle this pressure. I can't handle it. Now they're just messing with me. It's not going to update for hours. Maybe it didn't. I just got none. Wait a minute. Can that be possible? Oh, wait. Okay. All right. It did update. Oh, shit. Okay. So it didn't. Let's look at it together. It didn't go up more, but we got another 135. That's cool. Pretty much the same as yesterday. Maintain. Maintain is good. I'll take 130 a day. For a week. All right. That's good. This is the curve so far, right? This was launch. This was launch. This, I actually don't remember what this is. Oh, right. This was a Reddit post. This little hitch was a Reddit post. And then this was a Twitter repost from My Potato Games. Just one Twitter repost. Oh, and an article from someone at My Potato Games. And then here we are at Steam Fest. We just gotta keep going. Just keep going. The nice thing about this, I believe, is that the more wish lists you get, the more Steam pushes it. So I feel like what are the humps that cut off for me? So this is launch. This was a Reddit post. This was a lot of nothing. And this was a Twitter post / article on My Potato Games. And then here we are. So what I've noticed, I think the raw amount of posts, or the raw amount of wish lists, it converts to being pushed more by the system. Because you can see here, I had like 100 here, right? 40, maybe I had 200 here, or 175. And I got enough impressions to get about 3 a day. 2, 3, 6, 4, 2, yeah. And then here was like kind of bleak. Here, when I was here, I was like, oh my God, I need to just release whatever I have and move on with my life. And then this happened. I'm like, oh shit, okay. This happened 1 week after that. And then I felt good. I was on a high. I was like, oh man, all right, people do want to play it. Look. And then after this little bump, you can see that the average went up. And I wasn't getting any press anywhere. I was streaming a lot, but I don't know. I started streaming here. I was streaming this whole time. So hopefully, when this comes back down after the fest, this average gets another bump. And instead of, here it was like 3, then here it was like, it would hit up to 12, but I'd say the average was probably like 6 or 7 or 8 maybe. Actually, this was pretty bad over here. But hopefully when it comes back down, the average just gets a little bump. So that these long stretches, because these long stretches of no press equals this 1 day of good press. And you're not going to get press every day. So you need this resting wish list rate to be good. This slope. All right. Yeah, that's good. That's good. I'm glad we were able to look at that together. That was nice. Part of me was just like, oh man, am I gonna get like 1,000 in a day? That would be amazing. Nah, that's not how life works. Anyway, thanks all for hanging out with me. We're gonna raid out now. We're gonna go to Muniz. Just make sure he's still on. Yeah, he's still on. Here's the raid message. Wait, where is it? No. This is what he always uses. Dragon Spirit! Just in time to raid, yeah. That's the raid message. It all compounds, yeah, yeah. You were here lurking all the time? Oh, thank you for the lurk. I was in a meeting about writing a horror movie. That sounds cool. I didn't know you were a writer. Why aren't you judging my writing and helping me out? Dogs fed, no rush. Oh, now I need to feed myself. And my wife just ditched me, so I gotta go figure that out. And it's pouring. Oh, what am I gonna do? You never asked. Damn. You're supposed to just like be the peanut gallery and sling. Oh, the time's up. See y'all tomorrow, maybe. I'll be back tomorrow.